shouldn't be recording this video, but I wanted to get this intro out before it got busy. This is my tech week, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Instagram stories, how I edit my videos, how I edit my intros, and all that cool stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. It's all about how I make my intro, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babies. So first off, we're going to go into the app called HypeType. This is an app that allows you to animate text in any background that you want. All you have to do is just slide up and it will take you to all your pictures, and you can choose what background that you would like to use. After you've chosen the background, it will take you to where the text will be, and you can just click whatever whatever text you would like to use. For me, I wanted to have like a little Christmassy theme going on, so like I want to do like an elegant text with the background. So I ended up choosing this one that you see right here. But you can definitely play around with this app, which is something that I like. If you don't like a certain font, you can keep clicking on that text button and it will give you different fonts that you can use. And underneath all those texts, you do have colors. So the one I chose was red and white. I chose the third one that you will see, which is the black, red, and white, and it will switch out the colors between those three. And after you've picked your colors and your font, you will double tap on the text and it will give you a text box, and you will write whatever you feel like writing, whether it's your channel name or just, whatever. So I just put Destanytaira for my channel, and voila. When you like the way that it looks, you can then click on the blue button and it'll take you to the downwards arrow. You click on that and it will download the video into your photos. Moving on, the next app that we're going to use is called InShot. I like to use this app whenever I want to add an effect to my photos or videos. After you click video, you will select the photo that we just edited and it will take you to the screen right here. You'll have three options, but we're going to choose the middle one, which is effects. You can use whatever effect that you would like to use. I've been waiting to use the snow effect for so long, so since it looked nice with this photo, I decided to use it. When you're satisfied with the way that your video looks, you want to click the save button at the top and it will download it into your photos as well. Now we're going to go a step back and do the subscribe text. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but it's pretty much the same process of adding text, adding color, and then adding the effect. The next app we're going to use is called LumaFusion. This is one that you have to pay for, so if you are willing to pay for it, it is on the App Store. Once you are in the app, you are going to push the plus button at the bottom and you are going to name the video, which is intro. So after you have named it, it is going to take you to the screen right here and you are going to drag and drop both of the clips. After the clip is placed, you're going to go to the top and click edit. After you click edit, you are going to click the second button that is next to the triangle one, and this one is going to flip your video around until it is the way that it is desired to be. Now the last step is to add music. So we're going to go to YouTube and find a non-copyrighted song that will fit the theme and also the video. After you find the song that you would like to use, you would click share and then copy and head over to the app called Files. In this one, it will take you to Google first and you will just click YouTube to MP3, and this was the first one that I clicked on, so it's YTMP3, and you just paste the link in there and then click download. When it is downloaded, you go to the third tab and click on the song. It will ask you to open in, and after you click open in, you go to the app that you are using. The song will then appear in the imported section, and then you can click and figure out how long you want the song to be or where you want it to start. You will have to do some tweaking when you do lay the audio down. And the last thing I'm doing, just so there's an easy movement from my intro to my video, I'm adding a transition at the end. I decided to go with the flash just because since it is white, it kind of gives off that like snowy kind of feeling, I guess. I don't know. I just thought it was cute. After you're happy and you like the way your intro looks, you're going to click the button that has an arrow coming out of the door. There's going to be a whole bunch of options, but you're going to choose the one that says movie. After you choose a movie, you're going to click the resolution and the quality. I like my resolution to be 1080p just for YouTube purposes, and I just keep my quality the same. And then you're going to click the button that had the arrow coming out of it again, and it's going to download the video into your photos. And now we're going to see what the finished product looks like.